Hello snackers, it's Amber here with a delicious word for you today. The word is uplift. It means to lift to a higher position. The word was first recorded in the early 1300s. It meant to raise in rank, honour or estate, and by the end of the 14th century, it also included the meaning to lift spiritually. It took a few more hundred years to gain other meanings. In the 19th century, it became a term in geology to describe the elevation of land. And finally, a figurative use was added by 1873, meaning a mental or moral raising. This is the most common way we use the word uplift today. Here are two examples of uplift as a verb. Feel free to pause if you'd like to repeat the sentences. 1. Good friends can uplift you when you feel sad. 2. Music has the power to uplift your mood. Now uplift as a noun. 1. Her smile gave me an uplift of energy. 2. The visit from her friend gave her an emotional uplift. We can use the gerund uplifting as an adjective to describe things. 1. The movie was uplifting and made me feel hopeful. 2. He gave us an uplifting speech about persistence. We can use the past participle as an adjective. 1. She felt uplifted after speaking with her best friend. 2. I felt uplifted by his kindness. I'd like to share with you a quote that uplifts me. The author Les Brown said, "You are never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream." What uplifts you? Do you have a favorite song that raises your mood? How about a favorite activity? Leave a comment below to share your ideas. Well done! You finished this episode. Thank you for sharing this snack with me. Do you feel uplifted? I'm looking forward to our next bite-sized lesson together. Make sure you've subscribed so you don't miss out on any episodes. And as always, come hungry for knowledge.